absolutely blown away by what I saw him paint, and I was hooked. So I've painted watercolor ever since, but gone back into acrylics and oils. And if you've seen me do the large-scale live performance art, the 5 by 7 foot canvases in front of an audience in an hour, that's acrylic. It's acrylic latex that I get at Home Depot for the most part. But it's the same process, you know, whether it's a watercolor, acrylic oil, pastel, drawing, it's the same process isn't the right word, but the same values, composition, all those things are transferable. So I'll show you some of that today. You can come on up here. How about that? Just gather around and I'll talk you through a process that I use. And the focus is going to be on painting the landscape today and tomorrow, specifically the Northwoods Landscape, and water and reflections and things like that. And what I do is, I was going to show you one more thing. I love to sketch, and it all starts with a drawing. In fact, the better you can draw and shade, the better you can watercolor paint, because if you think about it, drawing goes from white paper, and you're adding darkness of different layers or different values. Same with watercolor, but you're just doing it in color from light to dark. Whereas acrylic and oil, you can go light on dark, dark on light, back and forth. So practicing your drawing is a really good thing. I'll turn this around so you can see kind of what, and these are clearly not finished sketches, but they give me an idea for composition. So when I'm out, I just stop, or I'll take a lot of photos, come home, and I'll just draw different segments of things I've seen. And one of them, you know, here and there will inspire me. I'll say, well, here's a little composition within that or something, and I'll try and paint it. And you can never do enough of this. Then I make notes. I must go to my screenshot on my phone on that date and paint that one. And I forgot what it even is, but I'll have to go check that out. So